Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. It is date night and time to bump up your look. But what if you don't have time? No worries, with my quick and easy makeup tips, I will get you ready and sexy and out the door in no time. So let's get started. First, apply a full coverage powder all over your face to even out your skin tone and decrease shine. You can apply it right over your foundation. Next, with a blush palette, swipe blush on the apples of the cheeks, contour, and then highlight for a dazzling glow. You can bronze to add a little bit more warmth and color. Next, start building your eyelid. Put a deep shadow in the crease and wiggle it underneath. Then add a shimmery shade to the lids. Refresh your eyeliner by lining the top lash line and waterline with black eyeliner. Normally, I would put on lashes, but if you don't have time, just add a couple extra coats of mascara. Lastly, add a sexy pout. Red, burgundy, or hot pink. Whatever makes your lips pop. And there you go, a quick makeup look that's ready to go. I hope you have a great date night. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.